Our society likes to label confident children as arrogant, and that is false. So let's look at what arrogance actually is. Arrogance is an outward expression of internal insecurities. Okay, arrogance comes across as like disrespect and not caring about the feelings of other people and thinking of oneself as better than everyone else. But all of this actually comes from like an over identification with a certain set of beliefs and being so rigid in those beliefs that they cannot change even when presented with evidence. So basically the foundation of arrogance is an inability to learn and grow. It is stagnation. It is wanting to preserve this feeling of being special, or this feeling of being better than other people at any cost, at the cost of evolution, at the cost of growth, at the cost of even being wrong. So if a person is arrogant, there is nothing you can say to them, no evidence that you can put in front of them, that there are no appeals that you can make to them. There is literally nothing you can do to get them to see the truth, to get them to see, or to get them to see your perspective. They are simply unable to do that because they are way too attached to an identity that they have created around a certain set of beliefs. That is arrogance. And this kind of thing, it comes across as disrespectful and very unpleasant. But confidence is just a child who is advocating for themselves, a child who is expressing their needs, a child who is calling out hypocrisy or misbehavior in adults, a child who is calling out something that seems wrong around them. A child who challenges an adult is not being arrogant. That is a confident child. That is a child who is asking, like, why is this happening? Why are you saying one thing and doing something else? Why are you treating this person in this manner? Why are you behaving in this way? That is not arrogance. That is just confidence. And that is something we have to encourage in children. Only then will this generation grow up to be better than previous generations. So just because a child calls out an adult, or just because a child puts across valid questions to elders, doesn't mean they're being disrespectful, doesn't mean they're being arrogant. They're just confident. Just because a child expresses their needs openly, just because a child expresses their emotions openly, does not make them arrogant. What makes a person arrogant is very strong adherence to false beliefs and a complete lack of insight and a complete inability to grow, to learn, and to change.